Greetings, Eagles. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the library's catalog to search specifically for eBooks. In order to search for eBooks, you're going to first visit the library's homepage using the link up top. From there, you'll go to the Books/Catalog link. Once you open that resource, you are now in our library catalog. In order to access eBooks and any other online content in the library's collection, you'll have to sign in. You can do so by using the link in the top right corner. When you sign in, you use your Polk State email credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you should see your initials in the top right corner. This will also allow you to do other things like save records and request books through the system. You can also renew resources this way. To specifically search for eBooks, you change this drop-down menu from everything to books. For a sample search, we can try looking for exercise benefits. If your research question were something like, what are the benefits of exercise? This would be a good way to slim your search question down to just the keywords. From there, you want to click Available Online. This is now showing you online content only. So the first resource you see there, all you have to do is click Available Online. And from there, in the center of the page, you'll see the link to access the book. And as long as you're already signed in, it should open up the ebook for you. Some other things you can do from this record view of the resource are generate a citation. So you're able to copy and paste either an APA or MLA citation, whichever you need. Additionally, you're able to share the record if you need to email it to yourself to get back to it later. So that's all there is to it in terms of searching for an ebook and viewing it. If you have questions or have any difficulties doing this, feel free to ask a librarian.